taking shots at the enemy. I'm gonna make it to the top, leave a legacy. If I got something to say, you better let me speak. Turn it up a new degree, bitch, you ain't seen anything. I pop off with the new rock, electronic, blow the sonic roof off. I'm too honest when I take a few shots. They're too toxic, need to take the noose off. And you cannot save me, cause I don't need saving. It's everything I've been chasing, all here for the taking. Don't wanna test your luck with me, I think I've had it.
Hi everyone, the much anticipated big Navi has finally arrived, the RX 6800 XT graphics cards, being the first to hit the market today. Many of you must be keen to know how they actually perform, so today we're going to run some tests and take a look at some real-world gaming benchmarks. Let's get started. The first game we tested is Assassin's Creed Valhalla, a gorgeous-looking RPG game that launched just earlier this month. Under the benchmark mode at 1080p, you can see that the GPU clock reaches 2460 MHz, and the temperature is around 63 to 64 degrees Celsius. The second game we tested is the Red Dead Redemption 2, featuring a massive open world and stunning visuals. Under the same benchmark mode at 1080p, the GPU clock ranges from 2440 to 2450 MHz, with the temperature hovering around 65 degrees Celsius. The average FPS exceeds 100 for the whole test. The last game is Watch Dogs Legion, another GPU-demanding open-world game. Under 1080p, the GPU clock still maintains a higher level of 2440 to 2450 MHz. The temperature never exceeds 70 degrees Celsius through the whole test. We've also tested these games with different resolutions and compared these numbers with those of the 5700 XT. You can see there's a huge jump in performance between the 5700 XT to the 6800 XT.
The MSI GeForce RTX 30 series Ventus 3X graphics cards are ready to power your next-gen gaming rig. Based on NVIDIA's Ampere architecture, these new cards provide you the highest frame rates with stunning ray tracing effects. The all-new Ventus 3X cooling solution features TorqueFan 3.0. Each fan has alternating traditional and dispersion fan blades that accelerate air into the heatsink. Zero Frozer technology maintains silence as long as possible, and the fans will only start spinning if temperatures are high enough. Instead of traditional oval heat pipes, these cards have precision-machined core pipes for maximum contact with the GPU. The heatsink is equipped with deflectors that not only increase surface area, but direct more airflow to the hotter parts of the cooler. Looking to the backside of these cards, we show two possible cooling backplates. Our highest-end cards are equipped with a metal backplate with heat pipes underneath. Other models have a graphene composite backplate. Both these backplates are well built to cool the backside of the graphics card. The metal anti-bending strap and bundled support bracket make sure your card is properly reinforced, even during transportation. The MSI Dragon Center software lets you fully control your graphics card. Squeeze out even more performance using MSI Afterburner with the OC scanner feature for safe and easy overclocking. MSI Aero ITX cards are all about big performance in a small package. This makes them perfect for small form factor builds where space is limited. The MSI GTX 16 series Aero ITX cards are built around NVIDIA's latest Turing-based GeForce graphics processors. Cooling is provided by a single custom-designed fan on top of the compacted heatsink. Featuring a clean black design with subtle silver and carbon elements, the Aero ITX will look great in any build. Get more performance out of your GTX 16 series graphics card using the OC scanner feature in the latest version of MSI Afterburner.